Hey, Dustin Tibbetts, financial advisor here with Jazz Wealth Managers, and today we're talking about 4 reasons that an IRA or Roth may be better than a 401k. Now, to be clear, I'm not bashing the 401k. In fact, I tell you guys in other videos, and I tell all of our customers, first, you contribute to your 401k up to the match. And once you hit that match, if there is a match, then you can move on to other accounts, but you don't discount that match. You absolutely need to invest there first. But a lot of people say, hey, is there any better option? I mean, I've contributed up to the match, but there's some things I don't like about 401ks. Could I do something else? And today I'm going to give you 4 reasons why you may want to consider something else. Number 1 is your investment choices. If you have a 401k at work, then you know that you're pretty much limited to the funds that are offered in there, whereas IRAs and Roth IRAs, you can invest in almost anything you want to, even physical real estate, right? So you can, or small businesses, things like that. You don't have to just buy stocks, mutual funds, and exchange traded funds. Now, to be fair, 401ks have gotten a lot better. I see probably 40 different 401ks from our customers each week. I like to look over each of their 401ks if they'll allow me to and help them guide them on that. And I'm noticing they're getting a lot better with their choices. But to be fair, most of them are very limited, and sometimes you just want other options. You want to be more aggressive, more conservative, or find some sort of thing that you're interested in investing in that still gets you to your goal. Number 2, you always have the Roth option. See, this comes up. A Roth IRA and a Roth 401k are completely different types of accounts. So a lot of times when people say Roth, it could be at work, it could be personal that they have there. So in 401ks, basically, you always have the 401k option, meaning all of the money you contribute and your employer, what they contribute, is pre-tax, meaning you'll pay tax in the future. You do not want to get to retirement and find out all your money was in the 401k and a third of that is basically gone to taxes, because chances are you're going to think, oh, I have to work a little longer. We don't want that. Well, IRAs behave the same way as a 401k. A Roth 401k is not technically the same as a Roth IRA, but it is post-tax. Those are, Roth 401ks are not offered by all employers. They're getting better, by the way, but they're not offered by all employers. And so you may want to contribute your money to the Roth 401k, let your company put their money in the 401k, which they're obligated to do. And so that would be a decent balance. But if you don't have the Roth 401k option at work, then the Roth IRA may be something that you're searching for and can hunt down, to work on that. Also, Roth 401ks and Roth IRAs don't behave the same. This comes up a lot, and some people say, oh my God, I didn't realize it. I thought I had the same flexibility that I did in a Roth IRA. Definitely not the case. Number 3, and this is an interesting one, in a IRA or Roth IRA, you can time your deposits. Now, before you bash me, I am not saying you should time your investments. I'm saying you can time your deposits. So we teach our customers that when the markets fall, if you're contributing $25, $35 a week or whatever to your IRA, this may be the time to go to $40 a week, or $50, or do a lump sum if the markets are providing you with a discount. Well, in a 401k, you know the money just comes out of your paycheck every time you get paid, and you don't get sort of control over when you can do a lump sum deposit, right? You can up your contribution, takes a pay cycle or 2, but you can't do a lump sum. Whereas in an IRA, a lot of people like to do a lump sum contribution at the beginning of the year. January hits and they want to knock it out, get that money invested as fast as possible. Or maybe around tax time, you got a refund, you want to start contributing for the new year. You're going to see the commercials soon on TV. A lot of people like to do lump sum contributions, just not possible in your 401k. So number 3 is that you can time your deposits, not your investments. We don't try to time the markets, we can time our deposits though. And number 4, the biggest one, the 4th reason why IRAs and Roth IRAs are maybe better than a 401k is that you control the money, right? And a lot of people can probably attest to this, when you need money, we hope you don't need it and have to take out money early and pay penalties possibly and things like that. But if you need the money, it's your decision if you want to take the money out. In a 401k, you either have to prove hardship or take out a loan. Why? If you need your money, isn't that frustrating that you can't have access to it, even if you decide to do something completely different? It could be that you're investing in your 401k. Your company doesn't offer a match anymore, and you go, well, fine, I want to take that money, and I'd like to move it into real estate, or I'd like to move it somewhere else. You can't. It's not allowed. So in an IRA and a Roth IRA, you can do that. You can simply say, I had an emergency. I need to take some money out. There may be a penalty. There may be taxes, right? There may not be if you have a Roth IRA. But you could also say, you know what, I'm done investing in a stock market. I have amassed the amount of money that I want, and now I'd like to go do some physical real estate. I'd like to buy an apartment complex or a little commercial strip mall or something like that. Who knows, right? You have that flexibility. So number one reason 401ks are maybe not as great as IRAs, provided that there's no match, is that you have more investment options. Number two, you always will have the Roth option outside of the 401k, whereas 401k plans don't all offer that. Number three, you can time your deposits, do lump sum contributions earlier in the year if you choose to, or if the markets happen to fall like now and you're excited about that. Number four, you control your own money. Why is somebody else telling you what you can and can't do with your money? Anyways, that's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. We will, of course, be back to share more with you. If you like to hit the subscribe button, really appreciate that. Otherwise, no problem. We'll try again next time, but we'll talk to you soon. Hey, Dustin Tibbetts, financial advisor here with